Hey guys, so today I decided to do a video incorporating a lot of my oldie favorites but goodies. These are the products that I swear by and I occasionally or miss and always go back to, even if I find something else. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned if you want to see how I got this look. Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a super quick makeup tutorial. Okay, so right now I'm trying this Works 24-hour skin solution. It's a in transit camera close-up mask, moisturizer and primer all in one. I got it in my Ipsy bag, so I'm just gonna try this out. Before applying your makeup, you always want to clean your hands. My skin needs help today, every day. Alright, while this is drying, I'm gonna go wet my beauty blenders. So I went shopping, makeup shopping the other day, and I got Born This Way. This is a 24-hour undetectable super long wear foundation. I have missed this foundation so much. Lately I've been using like just very cheap foundations, mostly drugstore, but there's nothing like a foundation that you know works good with your skin. I do believe in changing your foundations though. I feel like our skin starts to get like accustomed to certain foundations, and then it just doesn't look as nice as when you apply it for the first time again. Lightly going to dab that in my skin. I always say, I think the secret to flawless skin and flawless eyeshadow is really just being gentle. That's how you get that airbrush effect. I mean, obviously when you're in a rush though, it's a little hard, but we're gonna make it work. I have my lashes done, and I love having my lashes done because it feels like I have my makeup done, even when I don't. Save the extra step of applying mascara, but I will link the girl that does my lashes down in the description box, and if you're located in the South Florida area, you can find her. Now with my Tarte Shape Tape, this is an oldie but goodie that I haven't had in a while. I used to swear by Shape Tape and it was the only concealer that I used, but I ventured out on other concealers because this concealer is pretty pricey. Just gonna focus that in my inner corners, and with this Morphe beauty blender, I'm just gonna lightly dab. Also, like, if you're not gonna immediately press in that concealer right away, don't put the concealer on, because then that's gonna dry up really fast and get cakey. Another oldie but goodie. I got the travel size Laura Mercier powder because I wasn't sure what to expect with it just yet, even though it's still really pricey for a travel size. I mean, I remember it being really good, but I haven't used it in so long that I just like don't remember. I'm primarily focusing that in my inner corners because that's pretty much where I put the concealer. And then just dabbling it a little around my face so that when I do my bronzer, it doesn't get very spotty. Okay. So I wanted to try this little technique that I saw Desi Perkins do with her brows because I struggle with my brows so much. They're not sisters, they're fucking cousins, and they look so different. And I'm pretty sure that they are very different because when I was, I don't know, 23, 22, I don't remember, I ran into a door and I had to get stitches right here. And essentially when you get stitches, it like makes your, like when you're sewing two pieces together, I feel like there's not the same amount of space, whatever. So I always have trouble with my brows and they're not like thick the way I want them to be. She basically took a clean fluffy brush and an eyebrow stencil, which I think I threw out my eyebrow stencils, I don't know. And she put it like right here. Took a light shade of brown and then just went up. I feel like she made it look so easy. It's not easy for me. This is why I don't like doing brows, because mine are horrible. Now I'm taking the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. Guess I'll like start curling that a little. This pencil is definitely growing on me. I didn't love it at first because I feel like it didn't really come out, but now that I've used it a few times, it comes out. So there's a little bit more pigment. I'm gonna start cleaning this up. Just lightly flick that powder off. God, I hate my brows. Alright, so now just to warm up my face a little, I'm using the Cocoa Press bronzer. Not crazy about this bronzer, but it does give my face a little warmth. And then with an oldie but goodie, I have Nars Laguna bronzer, and I'm just going to focus that on my cheekbones. Brush my lashes. This is one of my favorite blushes. It's by Dolce. It's in the color Daydream. A lot of these are like sample sizes because my Ipsy bag. For eyes, I'm literally just gonna take this Espresso by MAC, take a blending brush, and just put it all over my eyes. This is called the Lazy Girl makeup. Right? I'm telling you guys, this is the quickest makeup tutorial. Alright, and then I'm just gonna go to my favorites. I go to lip liner right now, and probably forever, is Inglot's Lip Pencil Crayon in 41. This is how we get that ombre effect. Then with number 16, I'm gonna do thinner. I'm gonna take NYX Abu Dhabi. put that in the center though. And these soft matte lip creams are amazing from NYX. And I feel like I still need a little bit on my cheeks. So I'm just gonna take a pink shadow and just lightly dab it on there. I'm gonna contour my nose a bit with that bronzer Laguna. And last but not least, I'm gonna spray Maybelline Lasting Fix to keep this on all day. I don't like to spray it directly on my face because I tend to get patches when I do that, so I like to actually spray it on a beauty blender and press it in. If you feel like you need to brighten up the corners a bit, that is a-okay. I'm gonna take Shroom, which was an oldie but goodie of mine, and that's by MAC, and then put that in my tear duct area. And I just want to show you guys, let me zoom in a bit more, what it does for the eye. That little brightness right there just does something for you. Yeah, this is the finished makeup look. Now for hair. Hair is a little crazy right now. So I'm going to brush it and put on my crimper. And this is the Bedhead Wave Artist crimper, and it's so old it literally gets stuck. I use it sometimes, but it's my favorite. Alright, so I'm gonna brush my hair, but before I brush my hair, I'm gonna put Puhi. I don't know, my hairdresser recommended this for me. It's like a hair oil. I think it's by, well yeah, it's by Paul Mitchell. But I think it's like a separate line. I'm just gonna put some of that in my hair to tame it a bit. Not huge on putting oils in my hair, unless I'm like letting it sit overnight, because then my hair loves to get greasy. But we're gonna do it today because I haven't in a few days. Alright. So with the crimping, I like to start mid hair shaft, and that's what's going to give you the most natural look. Hold it for a bit. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe and go follow me on all my socials. Links are down below. Bye!